Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bhavna and today we are going to do this eye look. This is the first video of 2021. I'm so excited for this because I haven't made any video in 2021 and I don't know why. But yeah, I'm here and better late than never. So yeah, I was missing YouTube a lot. I was missing you all. I was missing my whole 250 subscribers family. This is gonna be a very amazing and very light eyeshadow look. Not light because I cannot say it light because you can see my heavy eyelashes. If you don't want to use eyelashes, you can definitely skip that step, but I took 15 minutes to put that on and it was my first try on screen. So yeah, please watch my videos and subscribe to my channel if you like my videos and if you like me. So yeah, let's get another video. So starting off with the eyeshadow, I'm going to take my Salvation palette as I always take. This is my favorite palette, you all, and I'm going to use this shade right here. I have dipped a lot because its pigmentation is little less, I feel. I'm going to take more and more till I get the pigmentation which I want. You can surely use a hand and just blend it out like the way you want. You know, there's no hard and fast rule in makeup, so you can do anything. Keep brushing off the extra color which falls off your eyes. Like that. This is the shade I want, and now I'm going a little more below my eye. That's it. Now I'm going to use my eyeliner and just going to use it very graphically, which I like. And for that I'm going to use my Maybelline Colossal eyeliner. I do not like this eyeliner if you ask me because it just gets off, but I don't have any different eyeliner other than this. That's why I have to use it. First, take it like this. Make a wing. Fill the wing like that. This eyeliner looks pretty, but the thing is it will just brush off after some time. And now from here, guys, I cleaned it back and thankfully it got cleaned off very nicely, and I'm just going to use it very carefully. So this was just a reminder to do your graphic liners very cautiously. Like this. And now what I'm going to do is apply my mascara and then put on my lashes. But before that, I'm thinking to use a pink kajal at my lower lash line. So I think that looks pretty, and now I'm going to use my mascara. Before that, we follow the drill of curling our lashes. Curl your lashes and put on your mascara. Don't make it thick, but this is the first time I'm going to use Foxy's. This is from Hilary Rhoda. So I'm going to use it, and I don't know, I'm not a pro at using lashes. So please bear with me if I go wrong or if I take a lot of time. Anyway, I'll forward the video. So this was a glue I bought, and I think I was very wrong buying this because I need to buy a bottle one. I think that pack eyelash glue which comes in white, now it has started coming in black also, so I think that is perfect for your eyelash glue. So please buy that if you're thinking of buying any eyelash glue. Clean off the wand if there is any remaining glue over it. So these are my two lashes. So now I'm going to do my other eye off camera. And hi guys, I'm back again, and now I'm going to move on to my contouring. And now for that I'm going to use my Makeup Revolution Lowered Iconic Fever, and I'm going to use this shade. It's okay if you don't have contour palettes, these are really fine. If you have those kind of shades in your eyeshadow palette, you can definitely use that. Put on a line and then just rub it like that. Again, a line here from the bone, from the top of your ear to your lips. You can definitely use it over your forehead if you have a big forehead like me. So you definitely need to contour your forehead. Your jawline, if you have a disappearing jawline like me again. So yeah, you can use it there too. I do not do contouring on my nose because I'm not good at that, but let's try here. I need to rub that. How does it look? I think that looks fine. Now let's move on to our blush, and for that I'm going to use my blush palette which is from In Color, and I'm going to use this two shades mixed. Like that. And now our main part, lipstick. So for lipstick I wanted to use a different shade, but I'm not finding that shade right here, so I am going to use this shade plus some lighter shades. So let's just see how the color turns out. This is from Mini Nika, which is 47M, and I'm going to use it as my base of the lipstick. It's kind of pink nude, so I think our matte color will fix with that. So this is from Lakme Absolute. I don't know which shade it is because the shade number is ripped off from here. So I'm just going to dab this shade right here. I think that's red iron something. I don't remember. Rust iron something. I don't remember. And I'm going to use this on the top of it. I'm just dabbing it. I think that's looking really nice and fine too. Now our highlighter part, and that's all you guys. Here's my highlighter. I'm going to use my brush I'm just going to apply it lightly over my cheekbones, over my little chin, my little nose. I like to sometimes highlight my upper part of the forehead just like this. I think it's done. If you think your eyebrows or something which needs to be corrected, you can just do it. And now I think that is all done. I'm just going to do my hair and my clothes, and then we can have a final look. So this is the complete look, you all, and I feel this is so pretty. You can all try it out, and please subscribe to my channel if you like my videos. And I'll try to be regular on YouTube because it feels so low. It feels something is missing when you don't put up videos, when you don't put up something which you like. So yeah, I'll be regular, and these days my assignments were going on, my college and everything, so that's why I couldn't manage time. So yeah, meet you next time.